welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Lexi, and today I'm just going to be doing a fall vlog. So right now I'm going to get ready and I want to do some shopping. I want to get like either some fall decorations, like a fall mug. There's some new recipes that I want to try, and I'm going to do my nails as well. So I'm just going to get ready and then we can get going. It's like 80 degrees out, but I really want to wear a sweater. It's fall, I'm ready for it, so I'm gonna wear a sweater anyway. So just like a chunky cable knit sweater, perfect for fall. And the perfume I'm gonna wear today, I'm thinking Juliet Has a Gun, Lipstick Fever. Alright, let's get shopping. Yeah. These are pretty cute candles, though. No? We have enough. So I did a Trader Joe's haul. I got these chili lime pork rinds, which I'm super excited to try. I got a lot of pumpkin flavored things. I have pumpkin spice pretzels. They have these cookies and cream ones, which are so good. So I'm sure these are gonna be really good as well. I'm addicted to these super sour gummies, and if they ever stop selling these, I'm gonna be so upset. They're so good. We got this pull apart bread, which I'm really interested in trying. They have focaccia, which is so yummy. Got some pumpkin loaf, which looks promising. It's definitely in the mood for just a bunch of pumpkin stuff today. Also got these pumpkin granola bars. They're very similar to like a fig Newton type. And they also have these peanut butter and jelly ones, which I really love. They have some of the best freezer meals I've ever tried. We got this meatless sushi, which you just pop in the oven, and it's pretty good. And this is our second time buying this, but it's like beef bulgogi in kind of like this formed rice ball, but there's actually no meat in it, and it's so good. It tastes like there's beef bulgogi in it. But yeah, these are really yummy with some soy sauce and of course some good old dumplings. They have a chicken one, which is also super good. I've never tried their pasta before, but this one looked really promising, and I think like frozen ravioli is always pretty easy and just a nice meal to have. And they have some of the best Indian meals that we've ever tried. This one is so good. It's just a nice hearty chickpea meal. And then this one I haven't tried before, but we really like the butter chicken, the tikka masala. So this one looks pretty good as well. And then these croissants, these are great. You have to proof them overnight, but they actually get to be like the size of the picture on the box. But yeah, these ones are just so yummy, and they're really fluffy and flaky. Then at Target, I got a few things. I got this book for my sister. I was almost out of makeup removers, so I just picked up my favorite one, which is the e.l.f. one. I also wanted to get like a pumpkin body scrub, but they didn't have that, so I got this Coco Colada. And then I wanted to try these Pete's Nespresso pods. So I know I already went to Target, but I forgot some things, so I'm gonna go to another one. And then right now I'm gonna stop into TJ Maxx. I kind of want to look for like decor things, like fall themed. I really want a fall mug, so that's top of my list. And then at Target, it's just kind of like some grocery items that I need, so I'll go there next. And yeah, there's like a guy playing an accordion over there, so maybe you can hear it, I don't know. So I'll see you guys soon. So I only got a few things at TJ Maxx. It was so hectic in there. There was tons of like fall decorations, but it was just way too hectic. I was getting a bit of anxiety, so I just grabbed a few things and left, but I head to Target now. Now we're gonna make some pumpkin pie, and it is my goal to learn how to make pumpkin pie because I can make any pie except pumpkin pie. The last like 3 times I've made it, it's been a major fail. The last one I tried to do a vegan cheesecake pie. Not sure why I tried to do that, but it was disgusting. So I'm going to actually try and hopefully it works out. So I got everything that I'll need. I'm gonna be making my own pie crust because, you know, that's half the battle of having a good pie. You need to make the crust yourself. So my usual habit of not reading the recipe beforehand and just getting all the ingredients has finally caught up to me because once the crust is made, it needs to chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and it's 6:46 p.m. right now. So hopefully I can get some pie tonight, but we'll see. And I learned that you're actually not supposed to like push it down, but a cup of flour is supposed to weigh like 130 grams. So I kind of want to test it out and see if I measured the right amount. Alright, so I'm at 164 grams. So hopefully that should hopefully be the right amount. And this weighs 25.3 grams. So that's really close actually. That was pretty good. So I'm fine with that. I don't think exact measurements are in order. So put gloves on now. I feel like it's more sanitary. I just did my nails. They're so cute, but I hate the feeling of like, especially food, but anything underneath my nails. So I've been cooking with gloves, like especially when I'm cutting meat, and it is a game changer. Like, it really has upped my comfortability of getting my hands in there. I'm gonna wrap this up and then put it in the fridge to chill for about 2 hours. I'm gonna clean up and then get to work on the filling. Alright, so we're gonna get to making the filling. So, from my great-great-great-great-great-grandfather's recipe, for the filling, we'll need the homemade crust, of course, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, cinnamon, and, okay, there's a lot more. I'm just gonna grab everything first. Don't be like me, part 2. I have a lot of cinnamon. Make sure, yeah, you think this is how much I have? No, I have these two. I have this one, which is still unopened. I think these are unopened as well. And I used to have a mini one. One year I thought we were out of cinnamon for Thanksgiving, and so I ordered one, and I accidentally did it twice, and 2 came, but I did actually have cinnamon. And then it happened again where I'm like, okay, I need to work on how much cinnamon I have. And we were at the grocery store and I knew a recipe needed cinnamon, this recipe actually, and I got another one. So yeah, don't be like me. But we're gonna start with, what does the recipe say to start with? Okay, well we can't preheat the oven yet, but we're gonna mix the eggs and the pumpkin. I need another bowl. We also went to Barnes & Noble, and I really wanted like some scary, spooky books for fall. I also did my nails, didn't get to show them yet. It's my first time doing Gel X, and some are a little thick, like this one is super thick, but I like them. They're super cute, and it was actually pretty easy. So I think a couple more times and it'll be a lot better. So I got 2 Agatha Christie's, obviously Halloween Party. I actually never read this one. I love Agatha Christie, and when I was a kid I would read a lot of them, but I don't think I read this one. So when I read it, the first sentence on the back is what got me. At a Halloween party, Joyce, a hostile 13-year-old, boasts that she once witnessed a murder. So this one looks pretty good. The other Agatha Christie one I got was Murder on the Orient Express. I started reading it already, but I love this one. I haven't seen the movie yet, but let me know if you have and if it's any good. And then lastly, I got The Legend of Sleepy Hollow and Other Writings. Sleepy Hollow is one of our favorite stories, and if you've seen the Disney like animated one, it's super funny and just really cute, but also scary. And then the one with, I think the Tim Burton one is also really good. That one is scary. But super excited to read these.